Hello. In this work I decided to start by drawing vertical lines. For some reason I got the image of a willow and I would like to embody it. There was also a kind of UFO feeling. A mysterious atmosphere looms over the city. Then I make fancy patterns with black lines. This makes the picture more interesting. And white stripes lately. I set geometric shapes in orange and draw the horizon. You can think of this work as an unusual northern lights, as you wish. Then I somehow blur the piece. In the finishing work, I added a black outline of the horizon and a little traveled yellow color. Thanks for attention. Subscribe, like, write comments. Avistin was with you. See you soon.